Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you how to run Windows in your Apple Silicon Macs. So we're going to do it using Microsoft Azure VM service and Microsoft Remote Desktop. In this process I'll also teach you how to create a virtual machine in Azure and also how you can use Microsoft Remote Desktop to connect to the VM from Mac. So let's get started. The first step is to go to the Azure Portal. About the free version, you can find extra information about the free version in the FAQs. So Azure free here. Yeah, so it comes with the 12 months free trial and 25 plus other services which are always free. You can see the list of all the services here. So after you sign up, you will get this portal. So from here you go to the virtual machine, you press the create and then virtual machine. It'll take some time. Yep. So now you have to choose your subscription. For now I'm choosing the free trial. The resource group, if you don't have any, you can create one. From here you can just give it a name, VM test. You name the machine. I'm gonna name it Windows VM. You can select the region, also the image, so what OS you want. There are different options. Ubuntu, they have Oracle, Debian, CentOS. For this tutorial we are using Windows 10 Pro. From here you can create the administrator account, and you have to remember this administrator username and password, because that's what we're going to use it to connect our Microsoft Remote Desktop to the Azure. So now leave this options as it is. You confirm that you have the multi-tenant hosting rights. Go to the next tab. You can select your disk options, so you can go with the premium SSD, standard, or standard HDD. For now we will go with SSD. So if you choose the premium or standard, the pricing will be different. So for now we are just using the SSD. You go next. So in the networking tab you can leave everything as it is. Also in the management tab we're not going to do anything. Also in the advanced tab, so one thing is here, so extensions. So if you want to add any extensions, you can select extensions and install it in your virtual machine. We are not going to do that in this video, so we're going to do next. Nothing in here, so we'll just do review and create. So this will validate some fields and run the final validation. So it'll take some time, maybe a minute. Yep, so everything is validated and the validation passed. So it'll show you the subscription, so how much it's gonna cost you. It's 0.0284 Australian dollar per hour, so it's not that bad. As like in M1 Max, the only easy way to run Windows is using parallel, which is a bit expensive. Let's see the parallel pricing. So if you see the pricing for the parallels, okay, so by now new license, it's 109.95 Australian dollar. That's way too expensive. So this is pay as you go service. So if you are not if you don't want the virtual machine to run, you can just stop it and then you don't have to pay the price. So just press create. So this process will take some time. You can see the progress in this notification. So it's showing submitting deployment, so it will go to the next page. This is still in progress, so don't go anywhere, just stay here. This gives you some information about the subscription. It says free trial and the VM test. The source group is your VM test. So it's creating all the essential files and folders. You can still see here it's still in progress. So Parallels is around $100. That's expensive. You can still check here, the deployment is in progress. It takes some time. You can see that the $280 credit, I still have the $280 credit that I got when I sign up. So you cross this, so the deployment is complete. So you can go to the portal again, check if you have the VM in here. So yeah, here you can see your Windows VM. So what you're gonna do now is you can go to the App Store and then search for Microsoft Remote Desktop. I have already installed it here. I'm just gonna show you which one is it. So this is the one. So Microsoft Remote Desktop from Microsoft Corporation. So just cancel this out. So you go to your Microsoft Remote Desktop. So press 8 PC. So the PC name is the IP address. We can get the IP address from here. So here, that's the IP address. Just click the IP address and then in here you can copy it. Yep, and press add. Double click that. Now you're going to use the username and the password that we used while creating the VM. So continue. Let's press continue. Oh, so this will also take some time, maybe a minute or two. Yeah, that's ready. That's the Windows 10 Pro version in your M1 Silicon Mac. So this one is running in the cloud, so you can install anything you want. All the software is gonna work. It doesn't matter whether they support the ARM or they are in the traditional files. So this will take some time as it's loading. Yep, so press accept. That's it. That's done.